This is a used 2002 Buick Century, powered by front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include an adjustable tilt steering wheel, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Ross Ford Mercury is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1903 North Falls Boulevard, Wynne, Arkansas 72396.